Hi y'all, Jeff here with Jeff's Cars and Garage, and I'm right in front of my 300 SE 1989. Now, if you follow the other videos, this car has been my problem child, and I have it sorted, sort of, but I'm in a dilemma, folks, and this car as one of the fleet that's got to go. And now you saw another video that I just recently did regarding an F-250. Well, you know, I'd like to sell this car so I can get that truck. Now, why do I want that truck? I don't know. It's something not a Mercedes-Benz, but I'm having trouble selling this. I've got this on Marketplace. It's been on Marketplace now for 2 months. I started at $3,250. I'm now down to $2,500. And I'm not getting any interest. So, folks, that's what's telling me is the used car market is probably now at its rock bottom. And this is a classic example because, you know, not too long ago, a car like this, probably I could have gotten $3,500 for it. Now, the car starts, it runs, and, you know, it's a little tricky, it's a little finicky, and I'll go ahead and start it. And let you hear it run, and I'll walk around with the camera as well. So, and folks, it was parked right there, and I started it and moved it here. Now, as you could hear, that actually revved up. Now, is this a car that you'll want to be able to, you can get in and drive home? Probably not, because I have yet to finish sorting through why this thing stumbles when you get up to, you know, 35 or 40 mile an hour. It just revved up to 3,000 RPM. So quite frankly, I think we might be close. And with it sitting there with some fuel cleaner may have solved the problem. So this weekend, I'm going to actually spend a little time and actually drive the car a little bit around town. The AC does work, it's just weak. The Freon level is just weak. But I need to clear some inventory. I am actually insurance poor, and it's getting ridiculous. And as you can see in the background, my 300 SD is right there, my 560 SEL is right there, my 280 SEL there. I've got my 300 SL right there. It's just, you know, I've got way too many cars. And do I need a Ford F-250 from 1966? No, I really don't. I don't need another project, but I need to, you know, I need some cash. It'd be nice to have some cash and quit paying these daggum insurance rates. As you can see, the 560 sitting in there, I got cobwebs hanging from it. That car hadn't been started in, oh goodness, 2.5 months or so. And so that's part of what I'm doing today is going to start the car, back it out, let it run a little bit. But this car right here, as you can see, the body is pretty straight. It's undercarriage is pretty rust free, and it really would make somebody a good daily driver once you get the fuel stumbling or the stumbling issue sorted out. So folks, you know, $2,500, that's what I'm asking. You know, I'm in northeast Nebraska. I'm north of Omaha. You know, it's stumbling just a little bit, but I will try and do another video and follow it up with this one. You know, a drive video. It's a little warm today. I mean, it's hot. Woo! I think it's 92 degrees right now, and I'm out here doing videos. But you know, this is a unusual car. It's got curtains for the back seat. They can be taken out. Well, it's got curtains for the front and back seat doors. Nothing on the rear window, but you know, it's like I said, it's a car that, you know, could make somebody a decent ride. You know, put a little bit more on it. You know, just put a little bit of effort to it. I'm tired. I'm over it. I am literally, I'm over this car. And I do have the rear trunk badge. I just haven't put it on. It's right here. 300 SE. It's you know, it needs glued back on. I do have backseat floor mats for it, and are in great shape. It's cleaned up. This car's, you know, it sat out all winter, so I'll go ahead and wash it up a little bit, and, you know, get it not fully detailed, but I'll clean it up for, you know, for the next buyer. But folks, there you have it. Interior is actually in really, really good shape. Let me go ahead and put the camera so you can see what the interior looks like. Seats are in good shape. Love that Mercedes thunk on the doors. But there you go, folks. You know, shoot me an offer if you want. Now, I'm gonna put my email address down in the description, so you can email me direct. Like I said, it is on the Facebook Marketplace for the Omaha region, so you can contact me through there. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Hope this, if you know somebody, share this with your friends. I'd like to get it sold. Thank you. Have a great day.